Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Charu Learning Studio. And in this video I am here to present today's topic, which is on forestry system. This is a topic of chapter Forest and Lifeline of class 7 science book. So let's get started with forestry structure. So as we know that we have already discussed about the introduction of forest, that what are the forests, and in this video we are going to study about forestry structure. Now what do we mean by forestry structure? So forestry structure is likely to be like humans have a structure that we have already learned about their humans respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system. So these are the structure of human beings. So as same as the forests also have a structure which is made by lot of things, lot of layers in them. So we are going to study about these layers and all about these layers in this topic, which is on forestry structure. So let's begin. So layer of the first layer of forest is layer of emergent. So what basically are layer of emergent? So let's take a look to this. So the layer of emergent, this is a highest layer in the forest. It means whenever you go to the forest, then you saw the when you see the forest from the top, then you ever saw that there is a layer, there is a structure, the rare layer like projection top of the top of the forest, top of the trees you can see. So these top layers are called as a layer of emergent. So these are the layer of emergent, which are the topmost layer of the forest. After that, these trees have a crown at their tops. So for example, do you know about crown? What are the crowns? Crowns, like whenever we go to the ancient history, then you saw that the kings or the queen get a crown on their head. Where does the crown is? So crown are in their heads, in their top. So as same as the crown is the forest topmost part, not layer. Layer is layer of emergent, and the topmost part is crown. Okay, so this is about layer of emergence. After that, canopy. So is canopy is the thick layer of leaves and branches formed by the top formed by the top of the tree in the forest. So it is basically a layer, next layer to the layer of emergent. It means second topmost layer. Okay, canopy is the second topmost layer, and it is made by the thick leaves. What do you mean by thick leaves? Which are very thick in shape. Okay, so these are made by the thick leaves is and the thick branches. Okay, and this is the second topmost part of the forest. Okay, and it blocks most of the sunlight from reaches to the ground below and make it as a shady part. Okay, it means this most of the sunlight gets to the layer of emergent, and then the layer of canopy stop the sunlight to reaches the ground of the forest. That's why whenever you go to the forest, then you see there is like very dark scenes. Yeah, there are everywhere there is dark, but yeah, there is some little bit sunlight come from the trees, but not most of them. Okay, so these sunlights are blocked by canopy. Okay, and make it as a dark or as a shady, okay, a ground. Okay, and after that, understory. So the understory is the layer just below the canopy. It means the understory are those layers which are just before the canopy. It means next to the canopy, and made by small trees and bushes. They are made up by like shrub types trees. Okay, shrub trees or very small trees and some bushes. Okay, after that, forest floor. This is so as I have already told you in introduction that I am going to teach you that what are the forest floor. So these are forest floor. Take a look to it, that the forest floor is the bottom layer of the forest. It means it is the last most, it is the bottommost layer of the forest. It means the ground basically. The floor means the ground. Okay, as your houses are have also floors, so it means the floor means basically the ground. Forest ground is called as forest floor. Okay, so it covered with fallen leaves, branches, and where is it? Okay, forest, and it is like it is covered by branches. Okay, the bottom branches, and then some leaves. Okay, the fallen leaves, and lot of organic materials. Okay, I will teach you what are the organic materials in next to the video. And after that, the microorganisms breaks down these materials and release nutrients that helps plants to grow another species. It means that as you can see that in the forest floor, the forest floor is covered by the fallen leaves and the branches. So the fallen leaves or other organic materials, so there are also microorganisms present in the forest floor. So what did they do? They just break down to the leaves or some organic material and convert it into the nutrient, which grows more and more